Hello everyone, welcome again. Today I will show you how to assemble and use coconut scraper. When I unboxed, I found that there are three parts: the main body, the scraper and the handle. Now rotate the main body such that the support is to your left side. Now take the coconut scraper and insert it in the hole until it comes out of the hole at the other side. Now take the handle and place it here and rotate it until it is fixed. Now I am moving the coconut scraper. You can see that it can be moved easily while the support is at the resting position. Now I am going to rotate this in such a way that the scraper will be fixed. Now you can see you can't lift it. So this is the coconut. Let me crack it. So this is the coconut cracked into two halves. Let me attach it to the peeler. Like this, and this is the handle which I need to rotate. See, it is standing on its own. With your left hand, hold the coconut tightly and with the right hand, rotate the handle. See how beautifully it has been scraped? Not a single coconut here. All the scraped coconut is here. If you are facing challenges using the coconut scraper on the table, then place it on the floor and support it using your toe. Now, use your scraped coconut to create delicacies. Thank you.